Hey, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you're having a good day. So this video is basically about the Mount Dog lighting system. It is available on Amazon. I saw another YouTuber who uses the same one, so I decided to purchase it, and I never really did a review on it. I probably don't use it as much as I should. I think I purchased it back in March, and it's now December. Like, what's today, the 28th or the 29th? I also have the Rode microphone, and I have two connections. So right now I'm shooting this video on my iPhone, but I also have an Android. So this is the connection for the Android. Also purchased this on Amazon. One part is for the adapter, and the other part is if you want to charge while you are recording, and then this end goes inside the phone. I also have this one for my iPhone. So you have the adapter and the charger, and then this piece goes inside the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that now. So I'm placing the adapter inside here, and then the other end goes inside the microphone, and then I'm going to put it back onto my mount, and I'm going to stick this inside the camera. So I'll let me know if the sound gets better once I plug the microphone in. The microphone also comes with a wind guard. So now I'm going to add the wind guard because I do have the window open.